dad always say this to me. He say, whatever situation you are in, whatever situation it is, it's the best situation that you are. I still got it. Great things, great things, great things, great things to you wherever you are in this beautiful life, in this beautiful world we live in. Welcome to Sengo's kitchen. Literally, today we're in the kitchen. We are not going outside. Ain't no outside. Thank you for stopping by. Shout out to all my subscribers. 1,480 of you guys. Shout out to you guys. Thank you, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking the video, and thank you for sharing. You can see I have my chink. I have my Rasta hat today. Chink. So we're taking it back home. We're gonna make something special today, right? Some pondu. I've made pondu before. This is pondu. It was frozen, so that's why it's annoying. I had to thaw it to make it unfrozen. So pondu is cassava leaves, yuca in Spanish, fleur de manioc in French, manioc. In Lingala to pondu. In Swahili we call it sombe. Drop in the comment, what do you guys call this in your language? If you're African, of course, or maybe Asian. Some part of the world they also eat this. Stay tuned, man. Let's make some pondu. Sengo's kitchen style. By Sengo's kitchen style, that means from my mom's style. Alright, I watch my mom make it, so that's how I learned how to make it. So I'm gonna put a little twist in it, and we're gonna put some sardine with this. It makes it soft and so stay tuned. Here we go. My dad always tell me, my dad always say this to me. He say, whatever situation you are in, whatever situation it is, it's the best situation that you are. He used to mess me up. I didn't understand that. Like, what do you mean? Like, what if I'm sick and dying? What if I'm like sick and dying? Like, what do you mean it's the best situation? I say, yeah, it's the best situation. Look at it like that. It totally makes sense. I didn't comprehend back then. But before we break it down, let's put this in a pot. We're gonna boil it. This is good enough. Fire. We're gonna let that boil. While it boils, let's chop the veggies that we're gonna put in, which is eggplant, celery, red onion, green pepper, and garlic. That's it. And remember, we're gonna add some sardine. What you know about that? So anyway, as I was saying, as we were talking earlier, the situation, whatever situation you are in, is the best situation. It's kind of hard to take it, right? I never really understood it. But then I came to realize that's very true. It doesn't matter what situation you're going through. It really doesn't matter. You can name it. You name it. But if you start looking at it like, this is the worst situation I can have, and it's gonna be very hard for you to come out of there, man. This is it. This is the best I have. You in the bottom. This is the best you have. So that mindset alone changed a lot for me, and it helped me maintain my joy. When you're in the bottom, you can't go no more. The only way is to go, but you gotta remember. Stay tuned for pondu in the making. Alright, let's finish chopping this one, and remember, you can do it. It's your boy Musima Single, man. Let's go. And albanero. Because we usually make this originally with some palm oil. The best oil there is on earth. Healthy. But since we don't have palm oil today, olive oil will do. And voila. So we're gonna let it boil for a while. For about at least 13 horas. 3 hours. 3 heures. Colometundia! Sardine. So we got about 45 more minutes before it's ready. So we're gonna put the sardine inside. Alright? Clean as you cook, or you clean after you cook? Which one are you? In now. Oh boy. Ooh. Do with some sardine now. I have some leftover rice. Don't ask me why. I'm African. I always have leftovers. Voila, ladies and gentlemen, pondu and some rice. The long waiting pondu. Bon appetit. I still got it. This is good. Yes, sir. Let me know in the comment. Have you ever tried pondu? Are you willing to try some pondu? Thank you for sticking around all the way from Los Angeles, California. Peace. See you to the next episode. Don't forget to like or subscribe. Now you've been watching me for so long. It's time for you to subscribe.